What if I told you that your car's AC can blow ice-cold air, even on the hottest day, without replacing the system or spending a dime on mechanics? Yep, most drivers don't realize that a weak AC isn't always a broken one. It's usually just neglected. In this video, I'll show you 11 easy, actionable tips to make your car's AC blow twice as cold, feel brand new, and give you that Arctic chill you've been missing. Let's dive in. Tip number 11. Replace that dirty cabin air filter. Cabin air filter is a cold air killer, and most drivers don't even know it exists. The cabin air filter is what your AC breathes through. If it's clogged with dust, pollen, or even dead bugs, your AC airflow is going to be weak and barely cool. Studies show a clogged filter can reduce AC airflow by up to 30%. Changing the filter is easy and costs less than a fast food meal. Within minutes, you'll notice stronger airflow, better air quality, and faster cooling. Most manufacturers recommend replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year. Tip number 10. Vent out the heat first before blasting AC. Rolling down all the windows for just 30 to 60 seconds before turning on the AC lets the trapped heat escape quickly. The temperature in a closed car can rise to over 140 degrees in just 30 minutes in the sun. Venting it out drops this by 20 to 30 degrees almost immediately. Starting your AC after this heat escape means it doesn't have to battle extreme interior heat. In real-world use, this tip can improve the time it takes to feel cool by 25 to 40%, depending on external conditions. Try it once, and you'll never go back to doing it the wrong way. Tip number 9. Turn off recirculation mode initially. When you first get into a hot car, the cabin air can reach 130 degrees to 160 degrees, depending on outdoor temperatures. If you turn on recirculation mode immediately, the system keeps recooling this superheated air, which drastically slows down the cooling process. Instead, turn it off for the first 2 to 3 minutes to allow fresh air to flush out the heat. Studies show this can reduce initial cooling time by up to 40%. Once the air feels reasonably cool, then switch to recirculation mode to trap that cool air inside. This two-step process helps your AC drop the temperature faster and more efficiently. It's especially effective in summer or hot climates where cabin heat buildup is extreme. Tip number 8. Use recirculation mode after cabin cools. That button with a little car and a looping arrow is not just decoration, it's a game changer. Once the hot air has been vented and the interior is moderately cool, recirculation mode becomes essential. When you press recirculation mode, your car stops pulling in hot outside air and starts reusing the already cooled air inside your cabin. According to Society of Automotive Engineers, using recirculation mode can increase AC efficiency by up to 20 to 30%. In some cars, recirculation mode can bring cabin temperature down to as low as 40 degrees to 45 degrees when used correctly. Tip number 7. Lower fan speed after initial cooling. It seems logical to run the fan on high the whole time, but after the cabin is initially cooled, lowering the fan speed actually improves air chill. Why? Because slower airflow gives the air more time to absorb cold from the evaporator coil. This can lead to colder feeling air at the vents by 3 to 6 degrees fan, so after the first few minutes of driving, switch to medium or low fan speeds for maximum cooling and efficiency. Tip number 6. Never park in direct sunlight. Parking directly under the sun can raise your cabin temperature to 140 degrees or more. That means your AC needs to work twice as hard just to bring the temperature down to breathable. Parking in the shade or using a reflective windshield sunshade can lower cabin temperature by 20 to 40 degrees, according to tests by Consumer Reports. This means your AC has a much smaller job cooling the space, and it can reach optimal temperatures significantly faster. The cooler the cabin is at the start, the faster you'll feel that cold breeze. Tip number 5. Recharge or top off your AC refrigerant. Low refrigerant is one of the top causes of weak or warm air from the AC system. If the refrigerant level is 10 to 15% low, cooling efficiency can drop by up to 40%. You can use an AC recharge kit with a gauge to check the pressure levels. If refrigerant is below optimal, your compressor won't function efficiently, and the evaporator coil won't absorb heat properly. Recharging to the correct level can bring back that icy, powerful airflow like the car just rolled out of the factory. Tip number 4. Clean the AC condenser. The AC condenser plays a huge role in cooling your AC refrigerant. It is located in front of the radiator and removes heat from the refrigerant. If it's clogged with debris, bugs, or dirt, the refrigerant can't cool effectively. This causes hotter air to blow from the vents, even if everything else is working fine. Cleaning the condenser with low-pressure water spray can improve cooling efficiency by up to 25%, especially in dusty environments. Make sure not to bend the fins while cleaning. If your AC used to work great and now doesn't, this simple cleaning could be the fix you need. Tip number 3. Regularly maintain the AC system. Many drivers assume their AC is set it and forget it, but like the engine, it needs care. Compressor clutch issues, weak blower motors, mold in the evaporator, and low refrigerant can all reduce performance. A yearly AC service check can restore full functionality and prevent expensive repairs. Just fixing a weak compressor or clogged expansion valve can restore lost cooling capacity by 30 to 50% in some cases. Prevention is cheaper than repair, and your AC will stay ice cold when you need it most. Tip number 2. Window tints or UV film. Professional window tints reduce the sun's heat by up to 60% while also blocking 99% of UV rays. That makes a dramatic difference in how fast your cabin heats up and how hard your AC has to work. With reduced solar load, your AC cools faster and stays cooler, even on long drives. In real-world tests, tinted cars stayed 15 to 25 degrees cooler when parked. It's not just cosmetic. It's one of the best long-term investments for comfort and AC performance. Tip number 1, clean the AC inlet. The AC inlet is where your car pulls in outside air for cooling. If this area gets clogged with leaves, dust, or debris, it restricts airflow into the HVAC system and reduces AC efficiency. A blocked inlet can make your AC feel weak, even if everything else is working properly. Cleaning it with a soft brush or vacuum restores proper airflow and can improve AC performance noticeably. In some cases, clearing a blocked inlet improves cabin cooling speed by up to 15%. Always check this area during seasonal cleanups or after heavy pollen or dust storms. So there you have it, 10 powerful ways to turn your weak AC into a cold-blasting powerhouse. If even one of these tips helps your AC blow colder, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart car hacks to keep you cool, save money, and stay ahead of breakdowns.